I welcome all of you in the lesson number 11 for grade 3 mathematics. What we are studying, guys, we started symmetry. We know all the basic concepts about symmetry, and we have learned the symmetry in the different shapes: rectangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, triangle, heart, arrow. We have learned the symmetric in a different figures. Now what we are going to do, we are doing question number 1 from the book, which is on page number 30. We started this question in the last class and we finish up to A, B, C, D, up to G. We check in the alphabets. We have to check the line of symmetry here. How many symmetries are there in the letters? So when we check A, so there is no horizontal symmetry. There is only one symmetry, that is vertical. These two parts are exactly same as each other. If I draw a horizontal line from the mid, so you can see here this is closed and then these are open end, so these are not same. In the B there is no vertical symmetry. Why? Because you can see this part on the right part will be the different will be different than left one, so there is only one symmetry, that is horizontal. On C also there is no vertical symmetry because these are open and this is closed from left side. So there is only one symmetry, that is horizontal. In D also there is no vertical symmetry because it's straight from here and it is curved from the right side. So there is one symmetry, horizontal. And E, there is also horizontal symmetry, not vertical, as this is straight and closed and this is open on the right side. There is no symmetry in F because you can see if I draw vertical symmetry here, so this is straight and there is no straight line. If you draw vertical symmetry here, so you can see this end on the top, but there is no end like this on the bottom. G, same as no symmetry. Same if you draw horizontal symmetry here, so it is like this, and that will not be same as for vertical also. Now today we will start from H. So guys, tell me about H. H have a line of symmetry or not? Yes, guys.
Yes,
Have
sir.
two
Yes,
symmetrical
sir.
vertical
H
and
have
horizontal.
Yes,
Two
sir.
vertical and
symmetry.
horizontal.
Yes, sir.
H have symmetry and horizontal.
Vertical
H
and
have symmetry.
horizontal. Vertical and
Horizontal and
horizontal.
vertical.
Very good. H has two symmetries, vertical and horizontal. Okay, let me draw here symmetry on H. There is one symmetry, that is vertical, so this is vertical symmetry, and this is horizontal symmetry. And I will write here 1 or 2. So there are two symmetries in H. If you draw a line from the mid, so you can see this part is same as this part, a perfect match. Same as here, if you draw this line from the mid, so there are two symmetries in H. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now tell about the
Yes,
E. Tell about the E,
Yes, sir.
guys.
I understand this.
Tell about the E, guys. E.
I sir,
Sorry, yes, I. Tell about the I.
horizontal.
Which symmetry I have? Vertical or
Horizontal and vertical.
horizontal and vertical?
Horizontal and vertical, sir.
Very good, guys. I has two symmetries, vertical also and horizontal also. Okay. So I'll draw one vertical symmetry here. Draw two symmetry here, guys, here. One vertical and one horizontal. Which line is that? This is first line of symmetry. And on the middle, there is one more symmetry. So how many symmetries are there? Two. Tell me about the J, guys. Does J have a symmetry?
No.
No.
Sir.
Yes. Yes.
No.
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 No, sir. Like this.
Okay. You are saying no. Let's try if J has a symmetry or not. Let's suppose if I draw a line here like this, horizontal. So you can see this part, bottom part is different than top one. So there is no symmetry when you draw a horizontal symmetric line here. Okay. Now, if I draw one line from here, from the mid, so you can see, guys, this part, there is no curve like this from here. If you want to make it symmetric, there should be like this. Then there could be a vertical symmetry, right? And if you want to make it horizontal symmetry, so you can see this part is different than this part on the top and the bottom. So you can easily say that they does not have symmetry. Is that clear, guys? So we will write here 0.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Write 0
Yes,
here.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Tell,
Yes, sir.
tell me
Yes,
about K, guys.
sir.
K. Tell me about K, guys. K has the line of symmetry or not?
Yes,
Horizontal.
sir.
Horizontal.
Yes,
Horizontal.
sir.
Horizontal. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
horizontal.
Guys, I'm not getting your answers. Give me your proper answer. Does K have a line of symmetry or not? If yes, which line of symmetry is it having? Vertical or horizontal?
Horizontal.
Horizontal,
Horizontal, sir. Horizontal.
Very good. Guys, see if you draw a vertical line of symmetry here from mid, so you can easily see the difference. This part is totally different than left one. On the left one, you have a straight line and this end, but here the open ends. So there cannot be vertical symmetry. If you draw a horizontal symmetry here, so you can see the both parts are exactly same. So there is one symmetry. Now tell me about the L, guys. That does L have a line of symmetry?
No. No, sir.
No.
Sir. Sir, I
No,
don't have it.
sir.
Very good.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, very good. Why L does not have a line of symmetry? Look at this. If you draw a horizontal line of symmetry here, so you can see this part. This part is different than this. If there is like this, on the top of that, if it's a line like this, then there can be a symmetry. But you can see there is no line up, and that's why L does not have horizontal symmetry. What if you draw a line from mid here? If you draw a line from here, so you can see a straight line on the left side, but no straight line on the right side. So you can say there is no symmetry in L. Now tell me about M, guys. Does M have a line of symmetry?
Yes,
Answer
sir.
is
Vertical, vertical,
vertical.
vertical, vertical, vertical.
Vertical.
Okay, guys, tell me in the chat box, which symmetry does M have? Vertical or horizontal, or vertical and horizontal? Ahmad Muhammad. Okay. Ahmad Usama. Ahmad Jibrail. Iham saying both. Ammar Khalid. Jihad Muhammad. Abdul Hamid. Anas. Guys, you are doing mistake in vertical spelling, okay? Vertical spelling Vertical. Hamza Suleiman. Hams both. Okay, guys. Let me tell you. There are no two symmetries in M. Some students are saying both symmetries are there in M. So there are no two symmetries in M. There is only one symmetry in M, and that is vertical. Look here. If I draw a horizontal symmetry here, so you can see this part. On the top, there are two sloped lines, but here on the bottom, you can see there is no lines like that. It's open, this area, right? So this is not symmetric horizontally. But if you draw a vertical line here from the mid, from here, if you draw a vertical line, so you can see it is symmetric. Left part is same as right part. So you will say there is only one symmetry in M. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
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 sir. Yes,
yes.
sir.
Very good. Coming to the N, guys. Tell me, does N have a line of symmetry? N is symmetric or not?
Right,
I
legend.
said
No.
horizontal,
Yes,
horizontal,
yes, yes, yeah. Vertical,
horizontal.
vertical. Yes, sir.
Tell, tell me in the chat box, guys. N has a line of symmetry or not? N. Yes. Answer me. Ahmad Jibrail. Very good. Jihad. Very good. Abdul Hamid. Guys, if yes, which line? Ahmad Usama is saying horizontal. Hamza Suleiman. Which vertical, which line of symmetry does it have? Ahmad Muhammad. Iham is saying vertical. Ahmad Awad. Very good. Okay. Let's draw the line of symmetry here. Some are saying horizontal. Let me draw one line here. Now tell me, do you think it is it symmetric, guys? N. Is it
No, no,
symmetric?
sir. No, no, sir. No, no, sir. No, 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 no.
No.
No diagonally.
Yes,
No,
yes,
sir.
yes, yes,
No,
yes,
sir.
yes.
No,
No,
sir.
Then
no.
it's horizontal,
No,
horizontal,
sir. No, no.
horizontal.
Okay, that's mean there is no vertical symmetry. Let's let's remove it. Let remove it and check with the horizontal line. Okay, this is horizontal. Now check. This part is same as this part. If you fold it, will it be perfect match? The both parts are same as each other. Is it symmetric, guys?
Now, sir.
Yes.
No,
Oh.
sir. No, no,
Now,
no, no,
sir.
no, no,
Yes,
no,
sir.
No.
no, no,
No.
no, no, no,
Yes,
no,
yes,
no.
yes, yes.
The answer is no. You can see the difference. You can see the difference, guys, that this part is a different. Here you have a closed end, but here open hand. Open, this is open, this is closed. Here top is open and down is closed. So this is not symmetric, right? Coming to the O. So we will write here 0. Okay, wait, I'm going to check the message. Who is that? Hamza Suleiman. Hamza Suleiman is saying diagonally. Let me draw a diagonal line also here. Sorry. Look at this, guys. Look at this part. This part is same as this part. Are the two parts are same? Is it symmetric diagonally?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
sir. It
sir.
has
Yes, sir.
symmetry.
Guys, look this end carefully and check this part. This part is same as the other. Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Yes, sir.
No, no, no,
Yes,
no.
sir. It has symmetry. Yes,
No,
sir.
no,
This is the rule. It has symmetry.
Yes, it's the same.
Jihad al Sayyid is saying two symmetry, one vertical and one horizontal. How, Jihad? I told you there is no symmetry in N. I told you that I show you also the vertical line I draw here and horizontal line I also draw here. Okay. Okay, guys. What we will do here? We will write here 0 about N, that there is no symmetry. Coming to the O, guys, you have to tell me the answer. How many symmetry does O have? Tell me the answer, guys. How many symmetry does O have? Yes. O is having how many symmetry? Ahmad Muhammad, Ammar, Iyad Khalid. Okay. Iyad Khalid, Jihad Al Sayyid, Ahmad Jibrail, Ahmad Awad. Very good. Very good, guys. Firaz Suleiman. Okay. Guys, you can see the O. So I'll show you here. Look here. If you draw a vertical line here, so this is the line of symmetry. If you draw from the middle, both are same, but line should be from the middle. If you draw a horizontal line here, so this is also showing the line of symmetry. Okay, so even there could be a diagonal symmetry as well. So we will write here 2 and more. We will write here 2 or more. How many symmetry does O have? 2 or more. I will write here 2 or more. Two or more. Oh, tell me about the P, guys. Does P have a line of symmetry? Yes. Answer me in the chat box about P. How many symmetries does P have? Ahmad Jibrail, very good. Ahmad Usama, very good. Ahmad Muhammad, very good. Abdul Hamid, Jihad, Iyad Khalid, Ammar Khalid, very good. Jihad Al Sayyid, Hamza Suleiman, very good. Ahmad Awad, very good. Right, guys, if you check here, if you draw a vertical line of symmetry here, so these two parts are not same. If you draw a horizontal line here, even that these two parts are not same. So there is no symmetry in P. You will write 0. Now tell me about the Q. Yes, guys, tell me about the Q. Q have a line of symmetry or not? Emma Jibrail, Ammar Khalid, very good. Emma Jibrail, very good. Anas, very good. Ahmad Muhammad, very good. Iyad Khalid, very good. Firas Suleiman, okay. Someone are saying yes. Let's check, guys. Those who are saying yes, which symmetry they are, Q is having. Look, if I draw a line from the middle, look here, how this is symmetric. These two parts are not same. Even if you draw it horizontally, so you can see this one, because of this one, this is not symmetric. So you will write it 0 because Q is not symmetric. Is that clear?
Very
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Very good, very good.
Very clear.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good, very good, very good. Tell me about R. How many symmetries does R have?
Zero.
Zero,
Zero.
zero,
Zero.
zero,
Very good, guys, very good.
zero.
Very good, very good. Very good. R also not having any symmetry. Look here, if you draw your vertical line, sorry, horizontal line, so this part is different and above part is different. If you draw it vertical line here, look, this part is different than other part. So there is no symmetry in R. You write 0. Now tell me about S. Does alphabet S have a symmetry or not?
Zero.
Yes, it's have
One.
Yes, zero.
One
that
horizontal.
Zero,
S
zero.
have
Zero,
you
zero, zero.
have V
Zero, zero,
have
zero,
W
zero, zero,
have
zero.
X have Z.
S also have 0 line of symmetry. Check here. If you draw a vertical line, so you can see these two parts are different. If you draw a horizontal line of symmetry, so you can see this part is different than this. This is open and this is closed. So you will say there is no symmetry in S. Now we talk about the T. You have to tell me, guys, T has a line of symmetry or not. Tell me about T, guys. T has a line of symmetry or not?
Yes,
Not.
one.
Vertical.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes,
Vertical.
yes. Yes,
Yes.
Vertical.
sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, guys, T has a line of symmetry. Look, only one line of symmetry T is having, that is vertical. If you draw a line from its middle, so you can see that both parts are exactly same to each other. So that's mean there is vertical symmetry. But if you draw it horizontally, so this part is not having, this part is different than the bottom one because there is no line like this on the bottom. So that's why it is having only one line of symmetry which is vertical. If you draw one more line here, it will become I and then it will be having two lines of symmetry. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir, it is
sir.
clear. Yes, sir, it is
Yes, sir.
clear. Yes, sir, it is clear.
Very good. Guys, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Make the symmetry of these questions just right now by yourself. Then I will tell you the answers. May check the symmetry of U. Which line of symmetry is U is having? Answer it. Draw the line of symmetry in U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Then I'll tell you the answer. Yes, guys. Do it fastly. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Draw line of symmetry in these alphabets by yourself, guys. This is vertical. As you can see, it cannot be horizontal. If you draw horizontal line of symmetry here, so this part is different than the top. And V also, it should be vertical. If you draw horizontal, so here you have a corner, here you don't have a corner, so these are different. Amar, Jihad, finish, Anas, finish, very good. W, also vertical. It cannot have horizontal line of symmetry. Same. If you draw horizontal line, so you will see that this bottom part is different than the top one. Very good, guys. Okay. Coming to the X. Tell me about X, guys. Does X have a line of symmetry?
Yes, true,
Yes, it
sir.
has two lines and
Yes, sir. It have two. Yes, sir. It have
vertical.
two. Yes, sir. It have two. It have two.
Very, very good, guys. X has two line of symmetry. Look, when I draw vertically, so this is same. Both parts are same. If you draw it horizontally, even you will see that both parts are same. Now Y and Z. You have to check the symmetry of Y. So Y has one line of symmetry, and that is vertical. If you draw it horizontally, guys, so it cannot have symmetry horizontally because this part is not same as the above part. Tell me about Z. Does Z have a line of symmetry, guys?
Zero.
Yes, sir. It have.
Zero.
Yes, sir. It have. Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, sir. It have.
no. The answer is no. I'll show you how Z is not having symmetry. Look here. If I draw here a vertical line, so you can see this part is open, this is closed, this is open, and this is closed. So there cannot be a vertical symmetry. Same. This part is closed, there is a corner, but there is no corner. And here is a corner, but on top there is no corner. So there is no line of symmetry in Z. So this is 0. Okay, guys. Now these alphabets will help you in solving some questions of page number 81. Open your books, page number 81. I'm going to write page number. It is symmetry and page number 31. Symmetry, page number 31. Page number 31. Now answer these questions. Which of these letters have one line of symmetry? Coming back to the page number 30 and check which letters have one line of symmetry. You have already written 1, 0 or 2 in the alphabets and you have already checked the line of symmetry. Now check in these alphabets and write the answer of page number 31, question number 2a. Which of these letters have one line of symmetry? Can you answer me, guys? Check it and complete the answer by yourself. Can you do it by yourself?
Sir, A and B
Yes,
and C
sir.
and E,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
K and L.
Guys, it is very easy. Go back to page number 30 and check. One line of symmetry. A, B, C, D, E, and K, and M, and T, U, V, W, and Y. Sorry, I forgot to write here. It is also having one, V1, W1, X2, Y1. In this way, you can answer page number 31, question number 2a. Question number 2a. Did you finish writing the answer? Question number 2a.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, only one answer.
Yes,
Only
sir.
C. No, sir. C, K, M, and
Okay. You have to do it by yourself. I will write the answer, but try to do it by yourself, guys. Try to complete it by yourself. Check from the page number 30. Check which alphabets have one line of symmetry and write. Guys, with this, our class time is also finished. I'll write the answer in the next class and we'll complete question number 2 and question number 3, the other questions also. Until then, take care of yourself. I'll meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye.
I want to ask you a question.
bye
Bye,
bye.
Emma Jibrail in the next class, okay?
Yes.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.